Hi guys, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry classes. So now we are going to learn about electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? Electronic configuration means distribution of electrons in various orbitals by increasing their energy levels. Means first general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, so on. This is known as general electronic configuration. Now I am explaining detail. In detail, I explained in detail in atomic structure chapter. If you want, please go through that chapter. So here, this is called general electronic configuration. Otherwise, you have to by heart 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, so on. Then here, how to means distribution of electrons by increasing their energy levels. Suppose if you want to write one element electronic configuration, how you will write? Atomic number 1, hydrogen. First, electrons always enter into 1s2 shell first. Why? It is the lowest energy level. So, 1s1. Why not 1s2? Because it contains only one electron. It is nothing but atomic number is 1. Generally, atomic number equals to number of protons. If it is a neutral atom, they are equals to number of electrons also. It contains, there is no charge on atom, so that is why atomic number is 1. 1s1. You have to match 1 electron. So that is why you have to write 1s1 only. Suppose for example 2. Helium. How you will write? 1s2. Why? The capacity of 1s is 2 electrons. So that is why helium 2 electrons, then 1s2. Matching. Then 3. Lithium. But don't write like this 1s3. This is wrong method. Why? The capacity of s orbital is only 2 electrons. It will accommodate only 2 electrons, not more than that. That is why here 1s2, not 3. Always you have to write 1s2. Then but what about here? It contains 3 electrons. After completion of this, electrons enter into 2s. 2s1. Why? Capacity is 2s, 2. But here they are having 3. 2 plus 1, 3. It must be satisfied with this atomic number. Suppose 7, nitrogen. It contains 7 electrons. How they are going to occupy? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Why 2p3? After completion of this electrons, 2 plus 2 plus 3, 7. Total 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2 plus 2 plus 3, total 7. By increasing their energy level. This is the lowest. After this one. Suppose for example, 20 calcium. Then 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. That's all. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Why? It must be satisfied with this atomic number. How? 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2, 20. Isn't it? So like that, suppose for example, potassium. 19. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then here you have to write 4s1, that's all. Why? 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1? 19. This is the electronic configuration of potassium. So you have to learn like this. Suppose for example, 26, that is iron. Then you have to write the electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6, 26. Up to this one, 10 electrons plus 6. 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6. 10 plus 10 plus 6, 26. This is called electronic configuration. You are distributing the electrons in various orbitals by increasing their energy levels. This is known as electronic configuration. This is very, very important. In many type of competitive type of examination, he will ask the respective ion electronic configurations. Identify the isoelectronic species. Means what do you mean by that? Means it must contain same number of electrons. How? Sometimes he will ask O2 minus, N3 minus and F minus is isoelectronic species. He will ask like this. What do you mean by iso? Isoelectronic. What do you mean by isoelectronic species? Means it contains same number of electrons or not? How? Oxygen, by gaining 2 electrons, it is converted into O2 minus. How? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 is the electronic configuration here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It contains 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Total 10 electrons. Okay. What about nitrogen? Nitrogen, by accepting 3 electrons, it is converted into N3 minus. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Then here what happened? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Why? Here by gaining 3 electrons, it is converted into, means valence shell contains 8 electrons, that is stable. So next, fluorine contains atomic plus 1 electron. Here electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Then by accepting it is converted into F minus. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. See here, valence shell contains 8. Here 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10. Means O2 minus, N3 minus, and finally F minus contains same number of electrons. 10 electrons, 10 electrons, 10 electrons. This is called isoelectronic species. What do you mean by isoelectronic? Same. Iso means what? Same. Same number of electrons. They are known as isoelectronic species. Similarly, I will give one more example. Identify the isoelectronic species. Sometimes you will ask. How? Argon is isoelectronic with a potassium plus. Then at the time you have to write electronic. Argon, you know, that is 18. 18 is the atomic number of argon. Then 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Valence shell contains how many electrons? 8 electrons, with total 18 electrons. Okay. Then here potassium K plus, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, then 4s1. If it is K plus K, that is what a 4s1. If it is K plus, then remove this one. Means it is also same equal. Isoelectronic species. These are isoelectronic, means same number of electrons. Some competitive type of examination, he will ask what is isoelectronic species. Then you have to write carefully and you have to identify. Thank you. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. దిస్ డాక్టర్ జేఎంఆర్. లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.